What assets are protected if one spouse has to enter into skilled care? Under Medicaid law, there's certain assets that are countable and there's certain assets that are not countable. The assets that are protected are the home, as long as the at-home spouse or healthy spouse can live there, one car, the healthy spouse's IRA, the healthy spouse's own income, as well as one half of the assets up to $104,600. Now, what that $104,600 means is that if there's $50,000 of countable assets, the healthy spouse gets to keep half of that, or $25,000. But if the countable assets are $300,000, the healthy spouse is capped out at $104,600. Through proper planning, we can help structure more assets for the healthy spouse. Let's say the spouse's income is below the limitation that is set by the Department of Public Welfare, who runs the medical assistance program. If there's assets over and above the $104,000, we can restructure assets into income for the healthy spouse. As I just said, income for the healthy spouse doesn't go to pay for the ill spouse's care. We can use this technique to shelter additional assets for the healthy spouse. Another thing we have to be careful about is the house. Most husband and wives own property as joint tenants with the right of survivorship. So let's say the spouses died in the wrong order, with dad in the nursing home and mom at home. If mom passes away and the house is in joint name, that house is going to go to dad and very quickly be used to pay for dad's care. Now, what if we took dad's name off the deed? We can do this because transfers between spouses are exempt. So what we typically do in this situation is we transfer the property into mom's name, and that way if mom passes, dad is entitled to essentially his statutory share, or typical situation, about a third of the value of the property. So if a house is worth $200,000, the nursing home would only receive about $66,000 to pay for care rather than the entire $200,000. As you can see, there's a lot of technicalities to the medical assistance and Medicaid program. You have to be very careful so that what you do today doesn't create inability to file for medical assistance in the future. For additional information on other topics regarding estate planning, please call us at 1-800-879-0984, or you can visit us on the web at www.shieldsandboris.com. The elder law offices of Shields and Boris, helping you protect your family legacy.